Back then, feeling ko, okay naman itsura ko, hindi naman ako masyadong pango. But then yung mga pang-aasar nila, it led me to my insecurities.
A lot of people are saying you would look better if you had an enhanced nose.
Naging overachiever ko. It is to mask my insecurities about my physical appearance.
Kapag gusto ko makipag-friends sa school, feeling ko hindi ako bilong sa circle.
Pag wala pala tayong confidence, no, we get robbed of human connection. Matagal ko talaga siyang pangarap.
This is it.
Finally, mangyayari na talaga siya.
It's not about transformation. It's more on elevation.
I'm looking forward to the experience of the patient.
Can I give you a hug?
We want you to experience your full potential.
Live your best life after this.
So, are you guys ready to release it?
Hello everyone! Welcome to our first YouTube video after 2 years from the last. I'm Doc Marge Salazar.
And I'm Doc Ann Kawile.
And welcome to our Elise Gives Back project. So, Doc Ann, bakit nga ba natin sinimulan tong project na to?
One time, binabasa tayo ng nag-comment sa TikTok. Ang sabi niya, Doc, paano naman kaming mahihirap na gusto ng confidence sa buhay? And then we realized na maybe this is the perfect time.
I myself, yung story ko, I'm an acne patient. So 12 years old, doon na nag-start yung acne ko. Peak ng acne ko was during in med school na naglalakad ako, nakatungo, yung buhok ko, binabagsak ko na lang sa mukha. Ayoko makipag-usap sa mga tao kasi sobrang, feeling ko, pangit ko. And doon ko na-realize na, oh my gosh, pag wala pala tayong confidence, no, we get robbed of human connection. Ayaw mo makipag-usap, ayaw mo makipag-kaibigan, gusto mo lang mapag-isa, and mas bumababa lalo yung confidence mo. And we know exactly kung ano yung nararamdaman ng mga patients natin. And we know a lot of stories from there. And that's why sinimulan namin tong Elise Gives Back project.
Set your beauty free! Elise!
We initially received 1,046 entries. And lahat ng stories nila, binasa natin isa-isa.
Ang original plan is to give free rhinoplasty with profile balancing to 3 winners. Pero dahil na-touch kami sa mga stories ninyo, we decided to add 2 more.
I am Eliza Sunga, 22 years old po.
I am John Sevilla, and I'm 23 years old.
I am Mar Verches. I am 25.
My name's Micaela. I'm 25 years old.
Hi, I'm Aziz. I'm 27 years old.
Back then, feeling ko, okay naman itsura ko, hindi naman ako masyadong pango. But then yung mga pang-aasar nila, it led me to my insecurities.
Hindi talaga ako confident lumabas kapag walang makeup kasi parang feeling ko, pangit na yung skin ko, pangit pa yung nose ko.
A lot of people are saying that, oh, you would look better if you had an enhanced nose.
Alam mo yun, kahit na sobrang naging overachiever kasi ako, it is to mask my insecurities about my physical appearance.
There's one client, specific client, who told me that you are a full package guy. You have good voice, you have good communication skills, but there's something missing.
The things that I want to feel after this journey is to be free from my insecurities that I've been holding for years.
I just want to feel more beautiful, more confident. Yung makita ko yung sarili ko in front of the mirror. And then finally, I would be able to say na, ako yan.
This is it.
Finally, mangyayari na talaga siya.
Okay, so welcome everyone!
Sino dito yung kinakabahan?
Sino naman ang excited?
Sino naman yung akala isa sa amin ni Doc Ann, si Doc Elise?
Oh, I often get that. So for everyone's information, hindi po si Doc March at hindi rin po ako, si Elise. Elise means God's promise.
Because we believe that Elise is a promise for everyone.
And excited na rin kami to introduce to you our other doctors, si Doc Arlex and si Doc Kate, who will be doing the consultation with us. So, are you guys ready?
Yes!
Yeah!
we have handpicked doctors of Elise Aesthetics. Yung doctors, hindi lang sila skilled, but they are artists as well. Because art is something na hindi basta-basta na ituturo.
Hi, I'm Arlex Atanasio. You can call me Lex. I am an ENT facial plastic surgeon here at Elise Aesthetics.
Hi, Sevi. Good morning. Upo ka.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, Sevi. Kamusta ka na?
I'm still in Cloud9 right now.
May I know bakit mo gusto na ma-enhance pa? Ano ba? Nasa line of work mo ba? Sa pakikipag-usap or confidence mo with other people?
There are clients actually, or especially one client who told me that you have a good voice, you have a good communication skills, but the but is may kulang. So, na-digest agad ng utak ko na, it's my face.
Sa akin yung beauty is has to be individualized. Dapat naka-base to sa experience ng isang patient.
Actually, ano ko po siya, insecurity ko po siya since I was young. Grabe paling paggamit ko na filter because of my insecurities. Ganun po.
So, yun yung goal natin dito sa Elise Gives Back. Na mag-gain nila yung confidence nila, mawala yung bullying, and syempre yung stigma. Eliza, say hi to Doc Kate.
Hello, Eliza. I'm Doc Kate. Please have a seat. Kamusta ka? Parang kinakabahan ka. Yes po, kinakabahan po, but excited. That's good. Hi, I'm Kate Santo Domingo. You can call me Kate. I'm one of the non-surgical doctors here in Elise Aesthetics. Sige, Mika, pa-hold ako ng mirror. Anong concern natin sa forehead?
Kasi Doc, parang when I was younger po, nalaglag po ako sa stairs. So, wala naman na pong naging issues doon. Pina-MRI na rin po ako, CT scan and all. Okay naman siya, Doc. Pero parang
may buhol, no?
May
malikot ka pala ng bata. Sige. Sit up straight lang tayo. I'll just check it first. Okay. So, sa profile balancing natin, if you want to improve this area, maganda siya i-Barbie forehead or i-filler natin siya para somehow mawala or ma-mask natin tong umbok na to.
Prominent area.
Yes. Kaya kung masasabing very unique ang Elise is number 1, we're very committed to natural result. And number 2, the technique of the doctors. So actually, pwede rin natin i-fill yung temples, no? Kasi pagka lubog yung temples, it makes our face looks old. So, pwede natin siyang i-temple filler as well para align din siya doon sa forehead natin. For me, ang philosophy ko sa beauty is it's not about transformation. It's more on elevation or enhancement. So, parang nilalabas lang namin yung beauty na meron ka. Actually, I'm very proud with my mentors, Doc Marge, Doc Ann. The technique kasi here sa Elise is not for everybody. We customize it sa need ng patient.
Hello, Aziz. How are you? Please have a seat.
Good.
Kamusta ka? How do you
Hello.
feel?
Excited also, but nervous.
May I know, ano ba yung mga concerns mo?
So, of course, number one is medyo malapad yung nose ko. And then, yung under eye ko, medyo sunken siya. And I always look like papuyat, tulog, zombie, panda eyes. So, I did some treatments before, pero hindi talaga nag-work sa akin. And other than that, maybe extra jawline, maybe. So, pero most of the time, really, it's on my nose and the other eye.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ann Kawile. You can call me Doc Ann. And I'm the co-founder of Elise Aesthetics. Pagka tinatanong ko yung patients, what is it that you want to achieve? Kasi for me, mas importante yon dahil sila yung nakakakita sa sarili nila everyday. Yung ginagawa ko, it's not really to make them perfect, but to enhance their physical, and not just physical actually, but to enhance their life. How about you, Doc Marge? What do you plan to do for her profile?
So, profile balancing is making the face look more harmonious. So, every part of the face, dapat nagja-jive sila para pag tinignan yung face, ang ganda, pero hindi mo ma-pinpoint kung ano yung ginawa sa kanila. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Marjorie Lalaine Salazar and everyone calls me Doc Marge. I'm a board-certified aesthetic doctor and a co-founder in Elise Aesthetics. More than vanity, it's really self-love intertwined with confidence, And the result is an enhanced human connection. So for our profile balancing, we'll be doing your forehead, your under eye and cheek, your lips and your chin. And lastly, nakita ko no, habang umingiti ka, nakikita ko yung lines, yan. So yung crow's feet, forehead lines, ibi-baby botox din natin. Para full facial rejuvenation, diba? Yan.
Nagkahalong kaba tsaka excitement yung naramdaman ko.
I felt so fulfilled.
Doc and Doc March really explained to me how things can be better. So, syempre, yung fear ko bumaba na, and I feel really excited and looking forward for this new change.
I feel relieved kasi na-feel ko na I'm in the good hands, na alam nila yung ginagawa nila.
Parang, alam mo, yung may comfort na nag-hug sa akin na parang, ito na yung tutulong sa'yo para magbago na yung buhay mo and makapagsimula ka ulit.
Sobrang natuwa ako na they're very open and they're very willing na maging confident pa sila lalo. Kasi meron pa ring mga patient na nahihiya sabihin kung ano yung gusto nila.
I'm looking forward to the experience of the patient. So 2-3 months from now, yung mga changes. So we're excited to see what lies ahead sa future nila after this experience.
My message to the winners is number 1, enjoy the journey. Madami pa tayong gagawin, so enjoy the process and follow the instructions. And number 2, I hope you become an inspiration to those na gusto ring mailabas yung freedom nila. And lastly, live your best life after this. Grab those opportunities, meet your friends, spread the love.
We want you to experience your full self, your full potential. We are hoping that your transformation will be a blessing sa buhay niyo. Kasi yun yung lasting effect nitong project na to.
Alam mo, every transformation starts with a yes. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I deserve this. Kasi minsan, yun lang naman talaga yung kailangan para magbago yung buhay mo.
And for us, it's not just changing what you see in the mirror, but it's accepting who you are, loving yourself enough to improve and grow.
Kaya we're so excited to share their journeys with you. And sana, habang pinapanood nyo sila, makita nyo that confidence is not just for a few, but it's for everyone, including you.
Kaya abangan, dahil sa next episode, mas makikilala nyo na sila ng mas personal and makikita nyo how powerful it is to finally say yes to yourself.
Yala, grabe.
May part ka rin ba sa sarili mo na gusto mong i-improve? Share your story with us.
Malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod. So, it's time to
Elise it!